Aloha. My name is Scott Bacon. I'm the director of Mālama Nā Apapa. The mission of our organization is to preserve, sustain, and restore the valuable coral reef ecosystems here in Hawaii.
Through research, conservation practices, and education, we are creating awareness and making changes.
Since 2006, we've conducted many projects. Some of those include marine science educational outreach programs, coral reef surveys and monitoring, marine debris removal, and also waste to energy projects with H-Power on Oahu. Another part of our program is using technology to do reef monitoring and reef surveys. The students really love this because it involves the technology using high-tech cameras, underwater camera systems, and they also learn about how we're monitoring reefs and how we're improving the monitoring of the reef ecosystem. The more that we use this type of technology, the better we can understand the changes and be more accurate.
58% of the world's coral reefs are at serious risk.
Most of the fish that people catch are dependent upon the health of the coral reefs.
Can one person really make a difference? The answer is yes.
Your tax-deductible donation does make a difference. These programs that we run require funding to be able to teach the students, to get the students out into the environment, to pay for the buses, to transport the students. The people like you are the people that actually help preserve and take care of our natural resources in Hawaii. Some of our schools here on Kauai don't even have a marine science class.
Coral reefs are the rainforest of the sea, a natural wonder that is the most complex and diverse ecosystem in the world. Unfortunately, coral reefs in Hawaii and around the world are dying.
Currently, we're preparing for one of the most important projects in the history of our organization. And this project involves coral restoration, where we grow resilient corals in a land-based coral nursery, and then we take those corals and we outplant them onto a reef, a degraded reef that needs restoration. Hawaii is actually one of the only islands that doesn't have a coral nursery, and we need it.
The time for change is now. There is hope.
So one of the long-term goals of Mālama Nā Apapa is to build a marine education center here on the island to be able to give students an opportunity to do hands-on learning experiences. We have lots of different opportunities for volunteers to participate.
Get involved, become a member, organize your community, and become caretakers of your beach.
We conduct marine debris cleanups for the community to come out and participate. It's very important to me to be able to maintain the health of the coral reef and to preserve it, to keep it sustainable so that the future generations can see and experience what we've experienced.
Send the message that you care. Your tax-deductible donation will make a difference to educate our youth, protect our fragile marine environment, and continue to conduct valuable research so that future generations may enjoy our blue planet.